What is up, guys? So, a couple months back, Cameron tried to learn throwing cards for a challenge, and I wanted to see if I could do one better and learn some card tricks. So, I started with the Sybil Cut, Spring Flourish, and of course, the Snap Change. Here's how I learned them. I just finished watching a quick tutorial, and it seems the technique I want is to place my middle and pointer finger shallow at the front of the card and have my thumb right at the back. And it seems to be just a lift of the pointer finger, and then I'm going to try to slide the first card back behind here. Attempt number 1. The thing that's important to remember when you are practicing this trick is not a full 180 flip of your original lead card. Instead, you are just tucking it on an angle directly behind your new front card. So if you look at what I'm doing in slow motion, it's just a 90-degree turn of that original front card, masking it behind my new lead. After just a couple hours practice, I'm feeling very comfortable with the snap change, which means it's time to switch gears to my next trick, the Spring Flourish. The basic steps for this trick are fairly straightforward. You want to grip the cards at the corner with your thumb and middle finger, squeeze so the cards bend back towards your palm, and when you're ready, just release. To make it easier, it's better to begin with your hands closer together rather than far apart. And after that, it's just a matter of practice. So I'm starting to make some progress with my Spring Flourish, and there is still one more trick I want to learn, and that's called the Sybil Cut. The Sybil Cut is a series of quick cuts and fancy card tricks, but the baseline, the thing that I gotta get down first before I can get anything, is just to get into the starting position. And that is holding the card in my left hand because I'm right hand dominant, coming in with my thumb, popping up half the deck, and then splitting the deck 2 more times with my index and middle finger. This is a starting position from which all the cuts will go. But I have to be able to get into this position in under a second. So that's goal number 1. As I get more comfortable with the opening moves, I move on to steps 2 and 3. If it looks like I'm making progress, that's because this footage has been sped up to 3 times normal speed. And this is what my practice looks like in real time. Yeah, it's that slow. That is it. I think I have got the Sybil Cut down, so it is time for the moment of truth. So I need a quick snap into position, and then from here it is boom. That is it. The Sybil Cut right there. It is the basic watered down version, but I have figured it out and I have gotten it to work. All in all, these 3 tricks took me 22 hours and 38 minutes, and almost all of that was spent on the Sybil Cut. If you are interested in picking up some cards and trying some shuffling for yourself, I highly recommend it. This wound up being incredibly fun for me and very satisfying, so I'll probably continue learning. Hopefully Cameron will have a new video up next week. Until then, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys very soon. Cheers.